Associations whose main interest is to influence public policies without having to capture power are A. Trade unions, B. Pressure groups, C. Political parties, D. Communal groups. This question requires our knowledge and understanding of the distinction between various types of organizations and their goals. But before I give you the correct answer to this question, I want to quickly remind you that, or use this opportunity to inform you that intensive tutorial for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, and 2025 UTME and SSE are currently in progress at Akai Tutors, Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road, off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Akai Tutors on 080-38-644-328, or you can visit latestgist.org or akainews.org or akaitutors.org. Thank you. Now back to our question. The correct answer to this question is option B, pressure groups. Pressure groups, also known as interest groups or advocacy groups, are organizations that seek to influence public policies, laws, or decisions without seeking to capture state power or govern directly. So what are the characteristics of this pressure group? 1. Pressure groups focus on specific issues or interests. 2. Pressure group aim to influence policymakers and decisions. 3. Pressure group do not seek electoral power or governance. 4. Pressure group often represent specialized or minority interest. For instance, environmental organization, human rights group like Amnesty International, industry association like Chamber of Commerce, professional organizations like Medical Association, ASU, Nigerian Bar Association, etc. So why are other options not correct? In option A, we have trade unions. This is not correct, but they influence policies. Their primary focus is on labor rights and collective bargaining. Option C says political parties. This one seek to capture power and govern. Option D, communal groups. Communal groups typically focus on community or ethnic interest and do not necessarily influence policies. So the correct answer to this question is option B, pressure group. Thank you for joining me in this edition. Please don't forget to hit on the subscription button to be promptly notified of our subsequent update. My name is Joseph Iyaji, and this tutorial is sponsored by Akai Tutors, Ile-Ife. Don't forget to join us in our physical class at number 67 Oduduwa College Road, off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Thank you.